Welcome you all. In today's lecture, we are going to discuss little bit the structure of C++ programming. So how we can going to write the C++ program and what is the structure of C++ programming. So first of all, it contain the first part we can say comment. Um, uh, we like the comment, write the comment in the program. So the first portion is a comment. Comment basically categorized into the two category. One is a single line comment and another is a multiple line comment. For single line comment, we are using two forward slash, and for multiple line comment, we are using the one forward slash star, then multiple lines, then star, then again forward slash. After the comment, we are going to write a header file. Header file contain the predefined functions. So in C++, generally we are using iostream header file, input output stream header file. After then, we are using global variable. Which variable we are going to use globally? Globally, it means we are using throughout the entire program. So we are using the global variable. Then functions or a classes declaration. Global variable maybe contain a variable, maybe contain the class, the classes which we are using in C++ program, or maybe contain some predefined directories or predefined function examples, or sub function. It also contains sub function. Apart from main function, all function is known as a sub function. Then we are having main function. Main function contain opening bracket, closing bracket, and then the execution statements which are execute whole program in a sequential manner to getting the output. And last is a closing one. So it is a basic structure of C++ programming. In this structure, the class declaration it not mandatory, because when we are going to use a class, we can declare the class, otherwise we don't require the class. Comment section is also optional. Main section is very important, and then we are saying that is a instructions which we are going to use. So we are moving to the programming part. So I'm going to open the simulator. I'm using Dev C++. You are using any simulator which you are having or familiar with that. So I'm creating one file. Now I'm going to write the first code, that is my first program, first program in C++. So this is the comment part. Then I'm in header file hash include iostream using namespace std. We are using namespace std in Dev C++ for including some basic predefined functions. And then here I'm using int main, and we are going to write a program. So we are using cout. It is a console display function, and we are writing hello slash n. So it is uh, mainly deal with the console input output function. It is used to print data on console. Okay, and we can also use scene used to takes the input from console. Okay, so it is used to take the input from console. We are not using the scene in this program, but we can use it. And you can also return 0, because we are using the int main. So when we are going to use int main, we use a like this, return 0. Return 0, it means it is a returning any integer value. So that's it. It is our first program. It containing the comment part, it containing the header file, and int main. We are not using any class. That is the first program basically. So we are simply going to save it, save, like we are saving in the C++ folder. Uh, First, simply say enter because it is by default taking the CPP. Now we are going to run it. Okay, we need to write it stream stream and semicolon. Forget to include the semicolon. So here we go. We are getting output hello. So we're getting output hello as output. So this is our first program. The next video we are going to discuss how to create a class, how we can using the class, and then upcoming series we are going to discuss so many features of the C++. Thank you.